State the differences between weather and climate. We are in chapter number 9, environmental management. Climate and weather madle differences. Weather is a condition of atmosphere in a specific place at a given point of time, whereas climate is a average weather condition over a place, mostly take place in large time span. Weather may involve just one condition of the atmosphere, whereas climate involves all conditions like temperature, precipitation, wind, humidity, cloud pressure. Weather occurs in places within a short time duration, whereas climate is a long-term phenomenon. Weather is what you get on a daily basis. Climate is over a long time. Weather can change within short time. Climate remain constant for years. Scientific study of weather is called meteorology. Scientific study of climate is called climatology. These are the differences between weather and climate. Complete the chart. Weather related factors. First is atmospheric pressure or air pressure. Then next one is sunlight. We also have cloud covering, humidity, rainfall, visibility, temperature. Importance of weather in our daily life. So the diet is decided by the weather, that is food. Then clothing is decided by weather. Shelter, that means houses. Occupations are decided by weather. Also the soil formation, rock formation of the region decided by the weather. Biodiversity of a particular place is decided by the weather. The lifestyle of the people is also decided by the weather. You can write all this. 23rd March is observed as World Meteorological Day. Weather forecasting is difficult. Give reason. Because the weather depends on many things. If the present climatic conditions are analyzed with respect to past climatic conditions, we can predict climatic changes. However, climate is a net result of mixture of various atmospheric factors. Forecasting is very complicated and difficult. So it depends on various conditions, various climatic conditions. It's a mixture of various atmospheric factors, and that's why the forecasting is very much difficult. What is meteorology? State various components of meteorology. The science that studies the interrelationships between various components of air, natural cycle, geological movements of earth, climate is called meteorology. Meteorology includes study of storms, clouds, rainfall, thunder, lightning, etc. They are useful to common people, farmers, fisheries, aviation services and various other organizations. State department to whom Indian Meteorological Department provides weather related information. The weather related information is provided to department like aviation, shipping, agriculture, irrigation, marine oil exploration and the productions. Who was the founder of IMD? This is the question. And founder of IMD was H.F. Blandford. H.F. Blandford was the founder of. The parameters used for first monsoon model in India. There was snowfall in Himalayan region. Snowfall in Himalaya. That was. Name the scientist whose monsoon model was used from 1990 to 2002, and he was Dr. Vasantrao Gowarikar. Forecasts are made with the help of mathematical models. Which take into account estimates of current weather related events and ongoing physical interaction between them. Data about the current climatic parameters is mathematically analyzed with the help of supercomputer, and India's supercomputer name is Param supercomputer. So with the help of Param supercomputer, various mathematical models based upon daily geographic events and are developed by supercomputer technology. What is the holistic monsoon model? Holistic monsoon model. In this model, the predictions are based upon those parameters used in other models which have the greatest effect on the monsoon. Nowadays, prediction declared by IMD are the collective outcome of various models, and such model is called holistic model. Domestic waste, paper, vegetable waste, food skins. Biomedical is bandages, body part, blood, medicine. E-waste, non-functional TV, mobile, computer, music system. Radioactive, waste generated at atomic energy plant, uranium mine. Urban waste, waste in vegetable market, then meat market, glass, metal plates, etc. What are the harmful effects of solid waste? Harmful effect of solid waste are as follows. Effect of biodiversity, the biodiversity of the region is affected. Bad odor of the waste material. Production of toxic gases. Degradation of natural beauty, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, spreading of diseases. These are the harmful effects of solid waste. Scientific and eco-friendly waste management. It includes separation, categorization of the waste, composting of organic waste, safe landfill sites, vermicomposting, industrial waste management, landfill method, pyrolysis, energy production by burning waste at high temperature, then the incineration of the biomedical waste. This is the scientific eco-friendly management of solid waste. State the necessity of solid waste management, means why is solid waste management is important. It is given here. For preventing environmental pollution, to keep surrounding clean, for energy as well as fertilizer production, and through that to generate work and employment opportunities, to reduce the strain on natural resources, to improve the health and quality of life, and to maintain environmental balance. For preventing environmental pollution, keeping surrounding clean, fertilizer production, generate work employment opportunities, reduce strain on natural resources, improve health quality of life, and to maintain environmental balance. State 3 R's of waste management. 3 R's of waste management are reduce, that means reducing the amount of waste, reuse, reuse of waste, and recycle, recycling of the waste. So reduce, reuse, recycle are the 3 R's. Split any three natural disaster and any 3 man-made disasters. So in disasters, natural disasters are thunderbolt, lightning, flood, fire, whereas man-made disasters are accident, bomb explosion, chemical accident in industries, stampedes, mass gathering, riots. These are the man-made disasters. What are main objectives of first aid? The main objective of first aid is to prevent the death, prevent deterioration of health, starting the process of rehabilitation. 3 गोष्टी आहेत. एक म्हणजे prevention of death, then preventing deterioration of health, and starting the process of rehabilitation. What are ABCs of life and rescue situation? A is airway. That means if the victim has difficulty in breathing, head should be held in backward sloping position, chin should be raised so that respiratory tract is open. If breathing has stopped, then the patient has to be given artificial ventilation by mouth to mouth resuscitation and circulation. If the victim is unconscious, after giving the mouth to mouth respiration twice, heart should be pressed down hard by pressing chest with both the palm. This is called cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR. It helps to bring the circulation back to normal. So A is airway, head should be held in the backward sloping position, chin raised. B is artificial ventilation, mouth to mouth resuscitation. Circulation is pressing hard with the palm, CPR, the cardiopulmonary resuscitation. What is the first aid in bleeding, fracture and burn? If the person is bleeding, then after cleaning the wound with clean water, antiseptic pad and pressure must be applied on it for 5 minutes. If there is fracture, fractured part must be immobilized. It can be done with the help of wooden rod, baton or rulers. If there is an impact on back or vertebral column, patient should be kept immobile on a firm stretcher. If there is burns, then injured part should be kept under clean and cold water for at least 10 minutes. These are the first aid. What is RICE in injuries like sprain, twisting? RICE, R stands for rest, Allow the victim to sit in a relaxed position. Ice is apply ice pack on the injured part. Cease compression after the ice pack. Injured part should be massaged gently. And finally, elevate the injured part. It should be kept in the raised or elevated position. So this is the rise for sprain, twisting and contusion. This was chapter number 9 for you.